don't even know what I did to her, man.
That's why you over here playing love song?
Yeah, man, because I don't even know what I did.
You tickle her fancy with that big ass nose you got.
She said it was in, and I was like,
She was
how?
talking about your nose.
I was saying, how?
Your nose, nigga, not your dick.
I don't even know what to do.
Go get your nose did like Mac and them.
Well, what about you?
I ain't never ate no pussy, so I ain't have no problem.
You ain't never ate no pussy?
Nah, that's for suckers. Do I look like a sucker?
That's what she called me. A sucker.
Yeah.
But
That's about it.
so that's what I did, bro. So I gotta go back. I need some tissue.
I ain't got no tissue.
I need some tissue.
Here, wipe your nose with a piece of popcorn.
I got some tissue right here.
Oh, shit. That's a lot of boogers on that tissue. You probably gave her a yeast infection while all the damn boogers. A yeast infection.
What the fuck is that?
Well, she said it was in you. Oh, shit, nigga.
Oh, that's probably what
It's
I did.
on the floor.
She said I sneezed in her pussy.
Jesus Christ. There's a bug on my floor.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a big one too. It's on your shoe.
I can't help me. I can't help me.
You can't help
I can't
it.
help me.
Stop crying. You're ugly already. What the fuck?
She gave me the pussy. I just sneezed in it.
Oh my God. I'm getting out my own damn car. I can't even fuck with you no more, cuz. You a sucker for real.
You gotta help me.
My daddy told me to stay sucker free. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, Lord have mercy. You're making me nauseous. You're making me
I don't think I'm never gonna get no pussy ever again.
What the, maybe not from her. Calm down, you're getting my floor wet.
I'm slow.
Well, everybody know you're slow, son. Wipe the whole nose.